I am Mohammed Mir, and this is my explanation of Assignment 10. So for the first problem of Assignment 10, actually I think both of these were fairly easy and simple ones, but the first problem of Assignment 10, essentially it just tells you to prompt the user to enter two random numbers between 15 and 45, and essentially write a catch for if the second value inputted is 0. So I have my main method here where I ask the user for the first input. I set that input to Mohammed num1 as asked, and then the second input, the second number between 15 and 45, and that is set to the variable mir num2, also as asked in the problem. And here's my simple if statement. If mir num2 is equal to 0, then we have sorry bud, we don't accept 0. Otherwise, divide the two numbers together and print that out. So here is the catch block that is also asked in the problem, where here's my try, which is Mohammed num1 divided by num2. And if there is an error here, this should catch it, and it should prompt the user with, we got a problem, we don't divide by 0. All right, so on to problem 2. Problem 2 was also pretty simple. It essentially just told me to tell the Java program to read a text file and output that text file. So I have to have three inputs here. I have to have my scanner input, my file input, and my file not found exception. So the purpose of that is that if I don't have this little throws file not found exception here, I will have an error in my code because the program has to actually run to find the file first, and the program is going to be asking me like, what's going on? I don't have a file here. Something's wrong. All right, so we have file, which is set to the variable file equal to new file, and this is the file location of the mir.txt, scanner, which finds the file and reads the file, and then I have this while loop that essentially just prints out every line of the text. And I will run this program to prove that it runs properly. Right here is the text file that was asked to be established as so.